Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to share with you some favorites that I've been loving over the past month. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags though. I love those a lot. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, I have a couple of categories here. I think the first category we can talk about are beauty products because I only have two of those to talk about. So we can kind of just get those out of the way. The first thing that I have is going to be this Chanel Le Beige. It is basically a water fresh tint. There's what it looks like and it looks really nice. I ordered this directly off of the Chanel website and I have been using it for the past month and a half, I would say, and I really like this stuff. It is so interesting how it works. It comes out in like this watery kind of gel. Like, it's so crazy, and then you see it right here and it looks insane, but when you rub it in like this and when it actually settles, like these little pieces right here look stupid, but you see that, and that's how it makes your skin look. It just gives your skin like this beautiful kind of like radiant glow where it doesn't look like you're wearing like foundation. It looks like you're kind of wearing a tinted moisturizer, but even more hydrating than that. I'm all about like dewy foundations, dewy skin, more natural looking stuff. I love that. I don't usually wear a full coverage foundation very often. Half the time, I don't even wear foundation. I'm not even wearing foundation today. So when I do wear a foundation, I typically go for something like that to where it's very light and smooth, and it just looks so nice when it dries down. It's beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. The other thing that I have been loving this month is from Jergens, and it is called the Natural Glow Face Moisturizer. It is like a gradual tanning moisturizer. So you just put this on after you take a shower, when you do your skincare, and this goes on first, and it actually acts as a sunscreen, which is very important. So it has SPF 20 in it, and then you put it on, and over a couple of days, it will like tint your skin. So it's like a gradual tanner for your face. I have recently got into this. I haven't used this for a full month, but I have used this for about 2 weeks now, and I love it so much. It doesn't look, see, that is what I have on my face today. I don't have foundation on. I have eyebrows, mascara, blush, and lipstick. That's all I have on. I just wash my face, put this on, and then I have a second moisturizer that I put on because my skin is so dry. I have to have like 2 moisturizers. So this is the one that I put on first, and I have really been liking the look that it gives to my skin and the tanness, and it just looks like a really nice natural tan. All right, you guys, I got some techie favorites to share with you guys. The two that I'm gonna speak about today are actually the ones that I'm using to film on right now, but I am gonna insert some B-roll footage of my new Sony ZV-1. This is my new camera that I am using to film my videos on. I previously had the G7X Mark III, and I hated that camera so much. It was a great camera other than the fact that the autofocus was absolute butt. It couldn't autofocus to save its life, and it was really frustrating because I took that camera to Italy with me, and there were a lot of shots that I missed in Italy because I couldn't get the camera to autofocus fast enough. It would take like a good 30 seconds. I shit you not, a good 20 to 30 seconds for this camera to autofocus on something. It was absolutely insane. And then like me just being right here, I'm not sure if you notice it, but go back to one of my videos like last month or something, because I just got this camera. You'll be able to tell a difference immediately. Like, you'll be able to tell like my face is not in focus half the time, and my camera will go in focus and out of focus, and it just kind of just keeps doing it. This camera, out of the box, I immediately saw that it was going to be so much better. It stays focused. I really love this camera. So the other tech favorite that I have is going to be my mic that I have on the camera right now. I noticed that the original mic that was just built into the camera is fine, it's okay, but I actually think that the mic on the Canon G7X Mark III was better. I never had to use an external mic with the G7X Mark III, I just used it by itself, and I thought the audio was fine. But with this one, the audio is quite tinny to me, and it doesn't sound that great, so I did get like a $50 Rode shotgun mic that you just like plug into like the little shoe mount on top, and this thing is great. I've been using this for the past couple of videos, and it has just changed the audio game for me. So I really like it, and it has like its own little dead cat, its own little muff. If you wanted to use that, but I didn't show that in the B-roll because I forgot. But here's what she looks like. She's very cute. She's like a little poof. Alrighty, that's it for my tech stuff. I didn't have very many tech things because I haven't really gotten too much tech except for these two amazing things. Next up, I want to show you a really great Amazon find that I am obsessed with. Here it is. And you're looking at this and you're going, Kenzie,
what is that contraption right there? What is that supposed to do? What even is that?
let me tell you. This is a shoe organizer, and it is one of the best things that I have ever purchased from Amazon. Of course, I should have said this earlier, but I'll have everything that I talked about today linked in the description. If I can find it, I should be able to. There's nothing here that's like discontinued or anything, I don't think, but these are great. So basically what you do, you can adjust the height. You just kind of take this back end bit right here and pull it up, and this is how it comes, like flat like this. And you can adjust the height just by clicking it up like that. And what you do is you have your shoe and you just put one of them inside of here like that, and then your other one goes right on top just like this, and then it goes into your closet like this, and it is just amazing. It is like the best shoe organizer little gadget that I have found, and it has cleaned my closet. My closet looks so much better. I will insert some footage of that just so I can show you what they all look like, but I got enough for my closet, and I got enough for the little baby closet that's right beside the door, you know, so we can like put our tennis shoes and our like regular shoes in that little closet by the door, and so they're not just spread out all over the walkway when you walk into the apartment. So definitely a must for me. I really like these. All right, I've got two bags to talk about. I've got these little baby. This is from Polene, and I did a unboxing of this bag not too long ago. I'll have it linked in the description for you if you haven't seen that, but this is their micro numero un bag, and it is it's just the cutest little thing. Look at that. And it's just like a little micro bag. I haven't used this too much, but I have used it a handful of times. Just if I'm wearing like a statement-y kind of outfit, like something like this, I would probably wear a bag like this because it's small and it opens like that, and it has its own little strap in here, and it's the cutest thing. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And this thing actually fits quite a lot, to be honest. I did do a video unboxing this, so if you want to see what fits in it, I will refer you to that. Am I Australian now? I will refer you to that video. It's linked in the description, but I think this thing is just so great and the quality is amazing, and I really want to get more bags from Polene. I really want to get their Numero Neuf Mini, and I am obsessed with it, and I want to get it in the caramel color. It's just so beautiful, and I've never seen a bag like it before, and I really want it. But this bag is so cute. My first little micro bag, and I'm obsessed with it, and it's such good quality. Of course, the other bag that I have been absolutely obsessed with over the past month or so is going to be my Mulberry Mini Alexa bag, and I recently did a full review on this bag. Of course, I will have it linked down below for you if you haven't seen that, but this bag is just the best everyday bag in my opinion. If you want a bag for every single day and one that you don't want to have to mess around with and worry if it's gonna match your outfit, it will match your outfit. If you don't like brown, they have a beautiful kind of like off-white color. It's called chalk. They have a black. They have other amazing colors like this beautiful dark green. It's just, they have a lot. But this bag is just everything. I love this bag, and this has literally become my most used bag. I love my Lady Dior and my Chanel's and everything, but I feel weird if I wear them just to do regular things, like to go to the store. So I always pick this bag or my polene bag if I'm just going to the store or if I'm just going somewhere very simple. But this bag is just amazing. It fits so much. You don't understand. It fits so much stuff in here. Like, I do not think this is a mini bag. I think this is like a medium bag personally, but I really love it. Can't say enough good things about her. All right, I think my last category is going to be clothes because I've got quite a few of those to share with you today. I've done a bit of shopping, not gonna lie. But my first one is actually this that I have on. I've had this for quite some time, and for some reason I forgot to add it in my last favorites video. But yeah, this is by Marine Serre. Of course, you've seen this everywhere. Like, every single like fashion YouTuber has at least one Marine Serre shirt. I know that Sophie Showhead has like every single one and they're just great. I know Cassie Thorpe has one. I think she has the blue one, but it's just amazing. I love this shirt. It is just so comfortable. I can honestly see why it's so popular. Like, it is just that good. I was really afraid when I got it because I thought that it was going to be way too short when I got it, because I was afraid that it was going to like hit like right here or something and it was going to be impossible to tuck in. But no, it has a lot of extra fabric that you can just tuck into your pants. It's great, and I love the fit. I think it fits so nicely. Like, it really just like hugs every single curve that you have, and it just makes you look fit, in my opinion. Like, I feel like it makes you look really fit. I really love this shirt. Next up, I've got a couple pieces from Totem, and I feel like if you've seen me the last couple of months, I've been wearing this sweater so much, and it's probably not a shock to anybody that I love this sweater. This is probably one of my favorite sweaters of all time that I own, besides my Balenciaga sweater. That one's still #1, and I feel like it's gonna be #1 for a long time, but this is probably my #2. This is again from Totem, and it is their vanilla stracciatella sweater. So in Italy, there is a type of ice cream called stracciatella, which is basically vanilla ice cream with like chocolate pieces in it, or like chocolate, not chocolate chips because that's like very American, but like chocolate pieces kind of like dotted throughout it. So it looks exactly like this. So it's very good. I've had it before as well. And it could be at other places too, but where I saw it was in Italy. It's just so cozy, you guys. It's so cozy, it's so warm. I know that it is summertime, but I don't care. I'm wearing this around my house and I will turn my air down to like 66 degrees or something like that, so I can wear this sweater inside. I can't wear it outside anymore because it is way too hot for that, but I really love the sweater and it's so nice and I'm obsessed with it. And the next sweater from Totem is, I still have the tag on it. I haven't taken the tag off yet, but it is this one right here. Oh, it's backwards. Oh my God. Here we go. It's this one right here, and this is just a black cable knit sweater. I actually have this one in cream as well, and the cream I got in an extra small. This one I got in a small, and I really prefer the small so much more. It gives you more room to tuck it in to something. When I was on the website, I got these from Sense, by the way, like S-S-E-N-S-E, Sense. I don't know, but I was looking on there, and from what I thought these were like extremely super duper oversized. They are, but not as much as I thought that they would be. So for the first one, I did get an extra small, and I do regret that a little bit. I can still wear it, no problem. There's no issues. I can still wear it, and I love it, and I do wear it all the time. But it's a little too short to tuck into some stuff, so I feel like I have to wear it out. But if I wear it out, it doesn't give me any shape, but then like, I don't know. This one I love so much. I found out they have a nude one as well, and I really want to buy that. I think the small is out of stock right now, but when it comes back in stock, I'm gonna buy that nude one. I love it. This is just a great sweater. Totem is very expensive, but I think they're so worth it just because they're such nice sweaters, and I just love them to absolute pieces. They're just beautiful, and they're beautiful on, and they just look very elegant and very put together, even though you're wearing a sweater. It's great. Next up, I have these two tank tops from Abercrombie & Fitch. I hauled these not too long ago. I don't know why this one was very sad for a second. Here we go. I hauled these not too long ago. I hauled this one first, and I got it in a medium first, and I really did not like the medium. I mean, I did. There's nothing wrong with it. It was just a little too big. So I sold the medium, got the small, and I bought this one in a small too. I love these so much. They're like little ballerina tops, that's what I call them, and they look so good on as well. They're so flattering. The little sweetheart neckline is just so beautiful. I really like these, and they just go with everything, and they're not like your basic tank top. These ones, I feel, they're not, of course, businessy or anything like that, but I feel like you could make them businessy. Like if you wore this and then wore like a blazer over top of it, I felt like that's a whole outfit. Like that would be fine, and it would be really great to wear with like some jeans or something like that. Really into these, love these very much. All right, I've got one more outfit to show you, and then I have a pair of shoes, and then we're donezo, guys. This right here is actually a set. And this is by a brand called Mocha Studio, M-O-K-K-A, Mocha Studio. This set, you guys, is one of the most comfy sets I have ever felt in my entire life. It comes with this sweater. Let me just undo it. It comes with this sweater, and it's a cable knit sweater, and it comes only in one size. I would say that this could fit anywhere between like an extra small and a large probably, and it's just great. I really love this. It's so soft. It is just such good quality. Look at that cable knit. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, and here's their name right there, Mocha Studio. The matching pants are right here. These are absolutely beautiful. These do come in like extra small, medium, large, stuff like that. So I got both of these in a size small, and I think that they fit very true to size, except for this, it's a one size. But this does fit true to size. I did get a small, and it is quite tight around my waist, which I like that look. That's like the way that I like to wear stuff. And then it's very loose around your thighs and legs. But of course it has that same kind of cable knit pattern. It's a literal exact match to the sweater. It's supposed to go together, so it just looks so beautiful on. And also they're flared, so they flare out. They're also very inexpensive. I mean, compared to a lot of other places, I got both of these for $100. Both of them for $100, not $100 each. Both pieces for $100. It is so fairly priced, and I really like these. Not sponsored, but I really love to work with Mocha Studio one day. I love pretty much everything that I've ever gotten from them. I do have, oh, these pants are from Mocha Studio as well. Look at that. I love these pants. They're amazing. If you wore this like around the house, it makes you feel like you're like a rich person walking around your mansion and everything. That's just what it makes you feel like, and I really like it. All right, my last favorite are going to be these shoes. These shoes are amazing and beautiful, and I love them so much. Look at these. These are from Steve Madden, as you can see, and these are called the Starry Sandal. Look at that glisten and glow. Look at that sparkle. Ooh, I love it. I love these shoes so much. I did get an 8.5 in these. I normally wear between an 8 and an 8.5, sometimes a 9, depending on the brand. I would say, and I saw a lot of reviews on these as well, and a lot of people were upset because they seem to not fit people with wide feet very well. I don't usually have that issue. I think mine are kind of just like standard, average, I guess. These are fine. I really like them. I did get an 8.5, but I will say, even with the 8.5, the fit is like the tiniest bit weird. I don't know. It's fine with me. I still love them and I wear them all the time, but the part right here that goes around your actual foot is a little loose. So I wish this part was a little tighter, because if I relaxed my foot when I walk, these would fly right off. So I kind of have to walk with my foot flexed, if that makes any sense. But then this part right here that goes around your toe is actually quite tight. So I think that is what people's issue with these shoes are. They're pretty tight, and they do kind of dig into my big toe just a little bit, but I don't really care too much because it's not that much of an inconvenience for me. It doesn't really hurt that bad. I just know that it's there, but I think they look so cute on. And you guys, that has basically been my favorite favorites. I feel like this video has been very long, but yeah, that's been my favorites. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments some of your favorite things that you've been loving over the past month or so, and let me know what was your favorite thing that I showed in this video today. Just leave me a comment telling me anything, just because I want to know everything. But guys, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!